in. All right. So Unit 1 review. Here we go. Your Unit 1 test is going to be this week, Friday. Okay. So this week, Friday, your Unit 1 test. Okay. Which means that everything from Unit 1 needs to be done by Friday. Makes sense. This Unit 1 test. You're done Friday. Okay. So a couple of things to do prior to that test. So first off, you should check all of your homeworks and make sure that you have 100% on them. Okay? So week 1's worksheet, that was yellow, I believe, correct? Okay, that was yellow. So that should be turned in, should be returned already. And if it's not 100%, you need to fix it, make it be 100% before Friday. Okay? Formative assessment 1-1, that was on a white sheet of paper, 4 questions. You took it 2 Fridays ago. Okay? If you did not get 100% on that one, make sure you do the problems, the selected problems on the back side to get your 100% on that one. Week 2 worksheet, that's the green one that you just got back 5 minutes ago. Okay? If you did not get a 3 on that one, that means you've got some fixing to do. Okay? Fix your mistakes, turn it back in, get 100%. Week 3's worksheet, that's the white review worksheet that you got on Monday. If you weren't here on Monday, it is right over here next to the cactus. Make sure you grab one at some point in time. Okay? Go back and fix any of those that are not at 100% so that you get all the points possible coming to you. Okay? So that's the first thing that you can be doing today, tomorrow, Friday before you have your class. Okay? Second thing that you can be doing is you can be going through your notes and studying the material. Especially go over the quiz that you just got back today. Okay? Make sure that you understand what you did wrong so that you don't make the same mistake on this week's Friday's test. If you haven't taken that quiz yet, you need to get your butt squarely into the MRC and get that taken ASAP. Okay? Because taking it after you take the test does you no good in preparation for the test. Okay? If you have off this afternoon, you should take it this afternoon. Okay? Because then I can get it back to you tomorrow and you can fix it. If you take it tomorrow, I won't get it back to you. Okay? Then you won't know what you did. Whoa, where did that go? Then you won't know what you did wrong. Third thing, ask questions. Either here in class today when we're going over a couple of different examples, tomorrow in class when we're going over some more examples, or in the resource center, or at home. Okay? Ask questions. Make sure that you get everything cleared up so that you are 198,000% ready to go on Friday. Okay? These 6 topics are the 6 things that you are going to need to know for Friday's test. Okay? If it were me, I would write them down. Because if these are the 6 things that are going to be on the test on Friday, these are the 6 things that I want to know how to do. These are the 6 things that I'm going to study this week. So again, your test on Friday will cover simplifying expressions, solving formulas, word problems, solving equations, solving inequalities, and absolute values. So those are the 6 topics that we've gone over here in unit number 1. Okay? So, with that being said, Let's try some. First one I want you to simplify. The second one I want you to solve. Go for it. First one I got to distribute in there. Then I got to distribute in there. Then I can combine like terms, and I get 16x plus 90 is my simplified version. Yes? Okay. Second one, I'm going to multiply my whole equation here by 35. If I multiply everything by 35, that should clear all of my fractions. Why? What's 35 divided by 7? 5 times 5? 25, right? So this becomes 25 is my first term. 35 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5. 7. 7 times 3x. 21x, right? That's why I did it by 35. Fractions, gone. I needed a number that both 5 and 7 went into. So I chose 35. Could have chosen 70. Could have chosen 105. Could have chosen 140.
So you did 5 over 7 times 35.
So what I did, what I did is right here, I did 35, which is over 1, times 5 over 7. Right?
Right.
Now, order of operations tells me I can multiply or divide at the same time. Right? So instead of doing 35 times 5 and getting some huge number then having to divide by 7, I did 35 divided by 7 times 5. Because then my numbers are small. 35 divided by 7 is 5. I know that. 5 times 5 is 25. I know that. Okay, I will. Subtract 25. Negative 21 is equal to 255. Now what? Divide by negative 21. Do I like? Well, first off, does it divide evenly? Oh, cripes all Friday. So that means what? Decimal? Fraction. That means side note, we're a fraction class. Just so you know, we love the fraction. By we mean me. Take that W, turn it upside down. You get the me. Okay? Right? So, is 255 over negative 21 reducible?
No.
Give me another chance.
Yes.
How do I know that it's reducible?
Because
No. Are they both divisible by 3?
Yeah,
Why?
because
it's a divide.
But no, honestly, do you know the math trick to know how any number is divisible by 3?
If it's an odd number, right?
No. Because 6 is divisible by 3, and that's an even number. Okay? You take the digits. This is a serious math shortcut for you. Okay? You take the digits, 2, 5, and 5. Add them together. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 5 is 12, right? And if that sum is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. Yo, what the? Yep. 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 Okay. Carly, push forward. Okay. I know you were so on it. Okay. So 255 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 25 8 times, leaving me with a remainder of 1. 3 goes into 15 5 times, so that's 85. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So I get here x is negative 85 sevenths. So much cleaner, Roz, than a decimal.
I thought you were going to say like approximate.
Oh no. Oh no. We don't approximate nothing. We go exact.
Did she have you in pre-code?
She did. She knows that already. She's just playing with you.
It's Rosin trap.
Okay. Questions on either one of those two? Love it. Let's do these two. Now, these two are kind of funky because the absolute value symbol in my equation maker isn't the best. But those two should be absolute values. I'll do them even in purple so that you guys can see them better.
Thank you so much.
All right, so first one, we got to make two equations. Add 3. Add 3. Then what do we got to do?
Then you gotta check.
You got to check them, right? Okay. So 24 minus 3, absolute value is 21, right? 21 equals 21.
Yeah.
Yep. Negative 18 minus 3. Negative 21, absolute value. 21. 21 equals 21?
Yes.
Yep, works. Works out. Okay. Same thing over here. Two equations.
That's not true in the first one.
Okay. Subtract 4x. At the same time, I'm going to add 5. That gives me negative x equals 6. That gives me x equals negative 6. Distribute. Add 4x. Add 5. Exactly. Oh, I see it. I see it.
It's okay.
I was wondering. That's why I said, oh man. Oh, that was
I
wrong
see it.
somewhere.
Twice today that I did that. Did the same thing in the first class. Okay? Divide by 7.
Wait. Where on earth did we need it? Negative 1. Good suck, Lucas. Play some
Oh
soccer.
my goodness, I know what I did.
Yes? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Test it, right? Yeah. All right, here we
So
go.
you're actually good at soccer.
Hey, focus on this, not soccer. Okay? 3 times -6. -18 minus 5. -23. Absolute value of -23. 23. 4 times -6. -24 plus 1. Equal, not equal.
Not equal.
Not equal means this one goes away. What's your question?
How do you know if it's like not equal to negative?
Because positive 23 is not equal to negative 23. They gotta be equal. They gotta be the same. Okay? 4/7 times 3.
4/7 times 3 is
That's like 12
7
eighths.
over
Is what?
4.
How about 12/7?
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. 1 times 7.
Yeah, 12
Instead of -5, I'm going to subtract what?
We're going to subtract 35 sevenths.
What?
Okay, got a little.
Why? Luca,
Yeah,
explain to me
7 goes to
why
35
you
basically-
times. Wow,
Basically,
great.
when you subtract
Oh, I
something,
get it
you
now.
gotta have to
That
at
was
least
good.
common denominator.
Nope, not least common denominator. Common denominator.
A common denominator.
Yep. Good job, Luca.
Because it equals 5.
Because it equals 5. Yep. Okay? So 12/7 minus 35/7. 12/7 minus 35/7.
Is
Like
minus
negative 22.
13,
Negative
23.
Negative 23/7, right? Absolute value of that,
Is 21 3.
23/7. Yep.
Actually, whoa.
Yes, just take away the negative.
Okay? Now we gotta do the other side. 4/7 times 4.
Okay, so what you got there?
16/7.
Yes. Look at the brains of this guy.
Plus 7/7. Because that's 1. Yes? Yeah. Yep. 23/7. Okay?
Whoa.
So our only answer here then is
4/7.
4/7.
Wowzers. Well, controllers.
Okay? Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications?
Well, why did you want it to equal 1? Where did that come
And the 7/7?
from? Yeah,
Because it's plus 1 at the end.
right.
If it was plus 2, I would have said 14/7.
Substituting the x in and you want to make the other one a fraction.
That matches the denominator.
Great. Okay.
Last one. Go for it.
Oh no.
Shut up.
Well, what is that? Oh, I didn't get that.
The first step. All I see is a bad soccer.
That's right. You do your own thing.
Yeah.
You know. All right, so we're solving, graphing, and putting in interval notation. Or if your last name starts with B-U-G-G-S, you can do whatever you want.
It starts with
All right, first thing I'm going to do here, multiply everything by 4. Okay, because that's going to clear everything out. So that's going to give me negative h is less than 2m plus 4 is less than or equal to 60. Love it. Then subtract 4 from all 3 sides. Because there's 3 parts. No? Okay? So that's going to give me negative 12 less than 2m less than or equal to 56.
Yeah.
Divide all parts by 2. That's going to give me my inequality. So the first one was solve. Solve is the inequality. The inequality is negative 6 is less than m is less than 28. Less than or equal to 28. Yes. Okay? That is the inequality. The interval then becomes negative 6 with a parenthesis,
Wait, it would be negative
28 with a bracket.
So there's not like two different ones with like
Nope.
a union in the middle?
Nope.
Because if it's
The graph
You know what, look at
has negative 6 and 28 on it. It's got an open circle at negative 6. It's got a closed circle at 28. And it's got a handle going in between.
so if it's
Wait, so
if
if you
it's the rows,
Yep.
then it's a
Then it's an OR. Yep.
That's what you do.
right, but would that still be correct though? Like if I did like the negative infinity kind of 6?
No.
Because you can't go to a negative infinity.
No, because it
It's
doesn't
only
go to
6
negative
28.
Yeah. That's it.
it.
He's right.
You're correct. You're very correct.
Okay, good on that one? Yeah. All right, let's go to the other one. Oh, now. There it is. Okay. For x plus 8 equals 6x minus 2, and 4x plus 8 equals negative of that. Oh, I would subtract 6x. I would subtract 8. That's going to give me negative 2x is equal to negative 10. Then I would divide by negative 2. And that's going to give me x is equal to 5. Over here, I would distribute. And that's going to give me negative 6x plus 2. Then I would add 6x. Then I would subtract 8. That's going to give me 10x is equal to negative 6. Then I would divide by 10. And I would get x is equal to negative 3/5.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's an absolute value problem, let's start this one with our graph. Okay. Open dots at each one for sure, because it's just a less than symbol. Okay. Let's say we forgot the fact that we want we want the absolute value bigger, then we want to be inside. If we want the other thing to be bigger, we want to be on the outside. Let's say we forgot that.
It doesn't matter if you divide it by negative 2. It doesn't switch like the.
I don't have an inequality going. I have equalities going. So
Right.
yeah,
Like,
which means then I don't have to worry about that. Okay. So let's try 0. If I put 0 back into my function, 4 times 0 is 0 plus 8 is 8. Absolute value of 8 is 8. Other side, 6 times 0, 0 minus 2. Negative 2. Is 8 bigger, or excuse me, is 8 less than negative 2? No, that is false. So that means we are going for the outsides. Huh? Love it? So then that in interval form, here would be the and